Okay, so this is our circuit. We have one input, which is our temperature sensor. We have to connect it to power right here and ground. So here is where the voltage comes out. So that's our input. We put that input to pin number A5. That's an analog input. We obviously connected our power and ground using 5 volts as power. And so the Arduino receives the signal from the temperature sensor right here in A5. And through the program, we use pin 8 and 9 as our outputs, which are connected with resistors to the LED. The LED is connected to ground, and it has to turn on green and red. So that's why it's connected to those, and blue is just not connected. So, this is our code. We declared both pins are outputs. Then we used, we first converted the analog read to volts using this formula, which is very simple. And then the formula that was in the problem, we used it to convert the temperature, and then we just used a simple if to finish the program and use that delay. So here's the result. So right now we have 25 degrees, so nothing happens. If we go below 20, it goes green. Above 20, it goes red.